Explore the best Amazon home and kitchen gadgets that combine clever design with everyday convenience. Whether you're looking to streamline your routine, save time, or upgrade your space with chic organizers, these finds are sure to elevate your home life. Browse all product links in the description below. Ninja BL660 Professional Blender. Blend smoothies, frozen drinks, and sauces with this powerful 1100-watt system. Features 3 precision functions and a 72-ounce pitcher for family-sized batches. Includes 2 16-ounce to-go cups with spout lids for portable convenience. Delivers smooth, consistent results every time. A compact, versatile upgrade for any kitchen. Wolfbox 3000A Jump Starter with built-in 8A25 air compressor. Take on emergencies with this 3000A Jump Starter and built-in 160 psi air compressor. Supports gas engines up to 8 liters and diesel up to 6 liters with reliable boost mode. Includes 65-watt fast charging, LED lighting, and heavy-duty jumper cables. Compact, powerful, and ready for every roadside situation. Listen cell phone stand. Keep your device steady with this adjustable desk phone stand. Supports phones and tablets from 4 to 10 inches, even with bulky cases. Perfect for home, office, gaming setups, and kitchen use. Sleek, durable, and designed for hands-free convenience. An everyday essential for multitaskers. Hodo Electric Spin Scrubber. Clean smarter with this waterproof, cordless spin scrubber. Delivers up to 22 in-pound of torque and includes 9 interchangeable brush heads for every surface. Ideal for bathrooms, showers, sinks, and kitchen tile. Lightweight, powerful, and built for deep, effortless cleaning. Divoom Dido Retro Pixel Art Speaker. Enjoy music, pixel art, and mini-games with this retro-inspired Bluetooth speaker. Features a 16x16 LED screen controlled through the app for custom animations. Great sound, playful design, and endless creativity packed into one compact device. A perfect gift for gamers and creatives. Giraffe Tools Retractable Hose Reel. Water your garden with ease using this heavy-duty 78-foot retractable hose reel. Features a slow return system, any length lock, and 180-degree swivel wall mount. Built for durability and smooth operation season after season. Keeps your yard neat, organized, and ready for work. Bissell Little Green Portable Cleaner. Tackle stains anywhere with this compact portable carpet and upholstery cleaner. Ideal for cars, furniture, stairs, and pet messes. Features strong suction and specialty tools for deep, targeted cleaning. Lightweight, reliable, and perfect for quick cleanups. JoyBoss Motion Sensor Trash Can. Save space with this slim 3.8-gallon motion sensor trash can. The slim design fits perfectly in bathrooms, bedrooms, RVs, or offices. Hands-free lid keeps things clean and hygienic. Modern, quiet, and designed for effortless everyday use. Portable Steam Cleaner. Deep clean surfaces with this fast heating steam cleaner featuring a 15-second heat up time and large 1.69 quart tank. Includes 15 accessories for grout, tile, floors, cars, kitchens, and more. Offers adjustable steam levels for precision cleaning. Powerful, chemical-free, and versatile. Govee Smart Wi-Fi LED Strip Lights. Light up your space with these 50-foot RGB LED strip lights. Works seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free control. Features music sync, color-changing modes, and easy installation. Perfect for bedrooms, gaming rooms, and home decor.
Cinwent Couch Arm Tray. Turn your sofa arm into a stable tabletop with this foldable bamboo tray. Includes a 360-degree phone holder and space for snacks, drinks, and remotes. Clips securely to round or square armrests. A stylish, practical upgrade for cozy living rooms. Govee RGBIC Floor Lamp Basic. Transform your room with this smart corner floor lamp featuring 1000 lumens of vibrant RGBIC lighting. Syncs with Alexa for hands-free control and offers 16 million DIY colors with dynamic music modes. Sleek, modern, and perfect for living rooms or bedrooms. A striking light feature for any space. Quick Dry Shoe Dryer. Dry shoes fast with this smart timed shoe dryer. Features a digital display, deodorizing function, and foldable design for travel or home use. Safe, efficient, and ideal for boots, cleats, and winter gear. Keep footwear fresh, warm, and ready to wear anytime. Ecovac's Winbot Mini Window Cleaning Robot. Clean windows effortlessly with this compact, intelligent cleaning robot. Features dual ultrasonic spray nozzles, anti-slip technology, and a 9-stage protection system. Offers 3 cleaning modes and smart path planning for streak-free results. A modern solution for hard-to-reach glass. Shark Vac Mop Cordless Floor Cleaner. Vacuum and mop in one step with this lightweight cordless cleaner. Features powerful suction, LED headlights, and a spray mop system for spotless hard floors. Includes disposable pads and multi-surface cleaning solution. Perfect for quick, everyday cleaning. Pet Libro Automatic Cat and Dog Feeder. Ensure consistent feeding with this 5G Wi-Fi enabled pet feeder. Holds 5 liters of food, dispenses up to 10 meals per day, and features a freshness-preserving design with a low food sensor. Reliable, convenient, and ideal for busy pet owners. Jome Tripod Clothes Drying Rack. Maximize laundry space with this portable, foldable drying rack. Tripod design offers stability, while wooden accents provide a clean, modern look. Perfect for balconies, bedrooms, or small homes. A practical and stylish drying solution. Standing Garment Steamer 1800 watts. Smooth wrinkles fast with this high-powered garment steamer. Features a 30-second heat up, 10 ironing modes, and dual adjustable rods for flat or hanging steaming. Ideal for everyday clothing care with professional-level results. Tonulac Solar Swaying Garden Lights 2-pack. Add charm to your yard with these upgraded solar swaying lights. Flexible iron wire and weighted bases allow gentle wind movement for a firefly-like glow. Warm white LEDs create a cozy, magical outdoor ambiance. Perfect for paths, patios, and gardens. 200 ml Ceramic Essential Oil Diffuser. Enjoy calming aromatherapy with this ultrasonic diffuser featuring 7 colorful LED options and an auto shutoff safety design. Includes 1, 3, 6-hour timers and a wood grain base for a natural look. Mary Sally Candle Warmer Lamp. Create cozy ambiance with this elegant candle warmer lamp. Melts jar candles safely with adjustable timing while enhancing fragrance without flames. Perfect gift for moms, friends, or home decor lovers. Adds warmth to bedrooms, offices, and living spaces. EasyJoy Silicone Couch Cup Holder. Keep essentials within reach with this oversized silicone couch arm tray. Features a stable cup holder, anti-slip base, and side pockets for remotes or snacks. Fits most armrests for a convenient, spill-free lounging experience.